Wheels as bad as this? Some say you need a fallout remover. I say you need garage therapy. Hi and welcome back to another product review from GM Details. There's a lot of wheel cleaning videos on YouTube which show you wheels as dirty as this, covered in brake dust, and the first thing people do is turn to the most aggressive product they can find, which is a fallout remover or an acid-based wheel cleaner or a high alkaline wheel cleaner. I'm going to show you one product that you can use which will give you the results that you expect. Yes, it's Garage Therapy 1 Wheel Shampoo. So I'll show you some of the tools that I'll be using to clean the wheels today. We have a hog's hair wheel brush, an IK foamer, a small EZ wheel brush, and I also have a bucket of water with some Garage Therapy wheel shampoo in it, and a chenille wash mitt which I only use for the wheels. Now you should always pre-rinse your wheels to get rid of any loose brake dust from the alloy and the barrel of the wheel as much as you possibly can. For this purpose I'm just using it without pre-rinsing the wheel first, just to see how effective the shampoo can be. Okay, so with the IK foamer pressurised up, I've given it a coating of the shampoo, and as you can see there, it's a high foaming action shampoo. Gives great lubricity. That'll help with the the agitation with the brush, just to help encapsulate the dirt in the foam and to try and help prevent any kind of swirls or scratches on your alloy wheel finish. So I have oversprayed the shampoo onto the tyres and then agitating these with the hog's hair brush, and gradually you can see the white foam turning a browner shade, and that's the brake dust and the traffic film being removed from the rubber of the tyre and encapsulating in the dirt as well. And when that's rinsed off, that'll give your tyres a little bit of a better bond for the tyre dressing that you're going to apply on that as well. That's a good tip. So next I'm going to do the wheel barrels. So I'm using the EZ small wheel brush. It's a very nice soft bristle brush which can fit into the most extraordinary of small places. I'm angling the brush in and out here as if you were cleaning your teeth. You always want to make sure you've got every angle covered so that you're not leaving any brake dust behind any of the spokes. As I rinse off here, now remember I'm rinsing off just to see what areas that I've missed. Now I went right round it with the brush, doing the barrel area and the in between the spokes. I haven't cleaned any of the faces yet with the chenille wash mitt, so that's why you still see some areas that haven't been touched. But the areas that have been touched are actually looking very clean indeed. Now onto the faces. Now just watching this video and fast forward here, it reminds me of when you used to go to school when you were young and your mammy would always wet the sponge and just go over your face with the sponge before you went to school, just to make sure that you went out with a clean face. So we're cleaning the faces of the wheels here with this microfiber chenille wash mitt. Some prefer to use a soft bristled brush. I prefer to use a wash mitt. I just think it's a softer finish for it and less chance of any of the bristles scratching the face of the wheel. So we'll just give them a rinse off and have a look at the wheel and just see what's been achieved. Now this is 20ml of product and 700ml of water applied through the IK foamer. That's all, nothing else. No APC before it, no APC or citrus mixed in with it. And as you can see there, I've got some John DeLue camera work going on here, but I missed a wee bit. Okay, get that rinsed off. So you can see there the tyres look in good condition, and the wheels, apart from that little bit in the top left hand corner which is a bit of curb rash. Yes, it's the wife's car. Say no more. So this is the near side wheel of the car. Now in my opinion, the near side of the car gets dirtier for some reason than the driver's side of the car. And as you can see here, from using 20ml of product, 20ml of a wheel shampoo has cleaned these up without the need for any acids or alkaline wheel cleaners. Just a wheel shampoo. Front driver side wheel now, and on this wheel we're going to pre-rinse the wheel first just to see what's left, what brake dust can be removed from the wheel for pressure rinsing. Same technique as before. Now this is the same bottle with the same shampoo solution in it. We haven't just used all of it on the one wheel. We will get 4 wheels out of the 700ml of solution in the IK foamer. So as you can see here, it delivers a fantastic amount of foam, just agitating with the hog's hair brush and in between the spokes, in between going down the tyres. It just releases the ingrained brake dust from between the spokes and just means it's easier to rinse away. I was wondering myself here why I was only doing half the wheel, but I forgot that I wanted to do a 50-50 comparison between agitation and non-agitation to see the difference. Okay, so we're demonstrating here. You can see clearly the top to bottom divide line between where we have agitated the wheel shampoo. This side here hasn't been agitated and we still have to remove the brake dust which is embedded onto the wheel, but I think it shows clearly the cleaning power when used with some sort of wash media like a brush or a mitt, how good it's done. Again, from only 20ml of product. That's 10 pence. 10 pence worth of product. How many people use pounds and pounds worth of fallout remover even before they even consider using a wheel shampoo? Now, I genuinely mean this when I say that I've used wheel shampoos in the past and they've left some marks in the spokes. There's not even a tar spot on these alloys. Is that down to the shampoo or is it down to the mileage of the car? I don't know. I just think that the product has worked well and it looks fantastic. Basically that's all you need from a product, isn't it? Feel dizzy. We'll quickly zoom through the back wheels now. Now these obviously aren't anywhere near as dirty as the front ones because they're drum brakes on the back. So we'll just quickly run through the details of the wheel shampoo. Now on Garage Therapy's website it says that the wheel shampoo uses a premium formulation of highly concentrated materials to specifically target brake dust and road grime for robust and effective cleaning of all alloy wheels. So it's safe to use on your aluminium wheels, it's safe to use on powder coated wheels and also bare metal finishes as well. So why would you use Garage Therapy's wheel shampoo over just a basic car shampoo? Well, the wheel shampoo has it's a slightly more alkaline shampoo than a pH neutral shampoo. So with that extra cleaning kick, it just gives you that little bit extra bite and cleaning power. Also, the foam does not die when the wash solution starts getting dirty, because as soon as you put some wash mitts or brushes back into your wash bucket for your wheels, that brake dust actually kills away all your suds and your lubricity from your basic pH neutral shampoo. So that's why you really need to use a dedicated wheel shampoo. So the lubrication stays consistent throughout the wash process, and the chemical composition has ingredients in it to specifically tackle brake dust and road salt, just like a dedicated wheel cleaner does. So if we just rinse down wheel number 3, and we'll take a look at how good this has done. I'm not expecting anything to be left over from this after the first 2. So okay, yep, it's left a good clean wheel. What we're interested now, money where the mouth is shot, and have a look at the bucket. Now we've barely went down through a quarter of the water. Now remember, this is from only using 20ml of wheel shampoo in the bucket, and we're left with amazing amount of suds. Hasn't diluted through, or we haven't killed the suds off with the brake dust. Amazing. Now on to wheel number 4, and we'll just end the video here just with my final thoughts. Now the wheel shampoo as it is I feel it's a fantastic money saver. Bearing in mind that you're using 20ml of product in the foamer, 20ml of product in your bucket, so 40ml of product overall per car. That's an equivalent cost of 80 pence. 80 pence to wash and clean all 4 wheels on your car. Now that's fantastic, but it gets cheaper than that. You know, if you buy the litre bottle, it's £17 for the litre, and I think now they've just went and released a 5 litre drum of the wheel shampoo for about £39, so it's under £40 anyway for 5 litres, making the shampoo ideal for valeters. So guys, thanks very much for watching. It's been a quick one today, just on having a look at one product. I'm really impressed with it. It's my new go-to shampoo for wheels. I've got a ceramic coating on my BMW wheels, and this shampoo is all I need now to clean it with. And as you can see there on the wife's standard alloy wheels, it's certainly the go-to shampoo for that as well. This has certainly been one of the best products that I have bought this year. You can even increase the cleaning power of the wheel shampoo by adding some zero decon shampoo to the mix as well. The two products can marry up very, very good together. So, you know, if you find that you do need a stronger wheel cleaner to make one up. I've yet to try one in actually just a sprayer, so that's my next thing to try on the wheels when they get even more dirty. So if you like the look of the shampoo, or you would like to try any of the other Garage Therapy range, I'll pop a link below to places where you can get some. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.